Hey guys, today I'll show you how to manually verify AdSense address without PIN, because I noticed a lot of people struggle with demonetization when they don't receive their AdSense PIN within the months given to them to verify their address. So kindly stay till the end and see proof of how I verified my address in only 2 minutes. Note that you can only apply this method immediately after requesting the third AdSense PIN. Now kindly select your voter's card you used in verifying your identity and upload, but make sure to use the same address and name you provided on your AdSense account.
Five minutes later.
As you can see, it says our document met their requirement, and our address has been verified. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.